Yes, so we've got the trees which eventually will create a canopy over the path. It's going to be quite nice in the future. All in just a 1.5 metre strip. It's pretty good. And then Pyrostegia ignea on the fence. And then what have we got here? The larger shrub at the back is Rhaphiolepis indicus, which we actually saw on the hillside above Myersii a week or two ago. Rhaphiolepis indicus, native shrub. Normally you find that up on the hillside, but it's been planted here, and it's sort of forming the kind of backdrop. And then in front of those we've got Codiaeum variegatum, which is actually looking surprisingly okay, which is a bit odd right next to the sea. I wouldn't really expect it to look quite so well. I think maybe they look like something's been replanted. They look like they've just been planted, and whether they're going to hang on very well or not, I'm not quite sure. And then at the front, we've got this an Asparagus fern. Now, we've seen Asparagus densiflorus sprengeri. This is its cousin, if you like, the same species actually, Asparagus densiflorus, and this variety is called Myersii. And we can see that the foliage is similar, but it kind of forms these funny kind of foxtail arrangements, right? Asparagus densiflorus Myersii. But I think what's interesting here is we can see the combination of the species used together to create a certain effect, which I think is not bad actually. Along this waterfront here, there's another shrub over here. Let's have a look at that. Yes, we have another shrub. It's been kind of clipped back a bit into this sort of boxy shape. It can grow into a small tree, large shrub, and this is called Aglaia, Aglaia, Aglaia odorata. And Aglaia has these funny little leaves. Right, let me just take one. Thank you. I'll just stick that in front here. Where are you? There we are. You can see, if you look at the leaf closely, you can see that it's got, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 leaflets usually. But the giveaway on this one is, I don't know if you can see, the stalk of the leaf also has like a little sort of 2 little flanges. It's almost as if the stalk of the leaf is trying to spread out and be a leaf. Right, how close can I get? You can see it. Anyway, when you see that, you know for sure this is Aglaia odorata. And it's called odorata because it has an odour, and we can see the flowers just starting to come out here. The little yellow kind of little pom-pom flowers. When they come out properly, then yes, they're quite fragrant. They're not quite open yet. Anyway, it's pretty tough. I mean, it must be pretty tough to do okay down here. Tougher than I thought. Aglaia odorata.